Another late night with the Merlin. I think I've figured out from the Google Plus page. I can't find a D chart, really simple D chart, so if someone has one and can post it under this, that would be most appreciated. But I think, is that D minor? And then D. Oh, sorry, B minor. D. A. Variation of G. Another variation of G. Possibly. So I just make stuff up. That's my thing. So I've made up a song called Playing with Fire. I've just kind of written it out here on this computer. But I haven't played the whole thing through yet. Anyway, I'll give it a shot. I'm also just getting lessons on how to sing in my chest voice because I only ever sing in my head voice. So bear with me. Your skirt up to your knees, my pretty. I can promise you it's not so far from here. I'm not trying to be your tease, my pretty. Just a little farther. It's only outside there, and she's playing with fire, with fire. Red flames are rising higher. As those lovely little ankles feel the heat. He is luring her in and he's winning. It's only a sin if you're sinning. How can it be bad when it feels this good? Ooh, 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 ooh. Step closer to me in your bare feet. Can you hear my heart drumming? She's empty, can't rest easy. No one's coming, coming, coming. Oh, and she's playing with fire, with fire. The flames are rising higher as those lovely little ankles feel the heat. He is luring her in and he's winning. It's only a sin if you're sinning. How can it be bad when it feels this good?